Hi, this is Rick from Empire Screen Printing again, and I'm going to show you, this time, how to apply pre-spaced decal with a wet application method. Now the first step to this process is to clean the application surface. You do not want to have anything to get in the way of a good solid bond with your decal to the surface. Alright, next up, we're going to want to measure out the spot where we want our decal to be. Now, once you're 100% certain of where you want your decal to be, you're going to want to apply a strip of masking tape to the top of the decal. Now, usually this wet application method is for larger pre-spaced decals, but just because we have a small space here, I'm going to use this smaller one. And once you have the masking tape like so, you can apply it to the area you measured out. Okay, the next step in this process for your wet application is to get a solution of 1 teaspoon to 1 gallon of mild detergent to water. Now, some mild detergents like dish soap, you're thinking Ivory, not Dawn though. Dawn does not work as well. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply it into the area that you're going to be applying the decal to. Now the next process here is you're going to want to remove the backing liner from the decal itself. Being careful that you don't let it accidentally drop down into the area that you've already sprayed with your solution. You want to make sure you have it lined up just right. So, now we're going to bring it down and make sure it's lined up exactly how we want it. Once you've gotten your decal down into the area that you have your solution at, you're going to want to move the squeegee that you've got here out from the middle towards the edge, squeezing out any creases or bubbles that are back there that could disturb the application. Alright, now we're going to just want to make sure to wipe down the area where any of our solution is left over. You know, you want a clean workspace. You want to leave this bad boy for 24 hours. Make sure that it's completely adhered to the surface, and if there is any more bubbles or anything like that, you can continue to re-squeegee to make sure that it adheres properly. And after 24 hours, you should be able to simply lift the pre-mask away from the surface, leaving the decal exactly lined up where you wanted it to be. And there you have it. Your decal has been applied using the wet application process. It's completely adhered to the surface, and everything is right as rain. Thank you for watching.